In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple ID not working for iMessage. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. This step is crucial because iMessage needs an active internet connection to function properly. Without this connection, your iMessage won't activate. Look at the top of your iPhone screen. You should see the Wi-Fi or mobile data icon. If these icons are missing, it means you are not connected. Simply go to your Settings app to connect to a Wi-Fi network or enable mobile data. This ensures that your iMessage has the necessary internet access to work. Next, check that iMessage is turned on. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Messages. Here you will see an option to turn on iMessage. Make sure this toggle is switched to the on position. If it is already on, try toggling it off and then back on again. This little step matters because it refreshes the connection between your device and the iMessage service. Now, let's restart iMessage. Head back to Settings, then to Apps, and tap on Messages again. This time you will turn off iMessage. After doing that, go back to Settings, select Apps, and then tap on FaceTime. Turn FaceTime off as well. Now restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Once your iPhone is off, wait a few moments, then turn it back on. After it restarts, go back to turn both eMessage and FaceTime back on. Restarting these services can often resolve minor glitches that prevent activation. Next, verify your Apple ID. Open the Settings app once more, then navigate to Apps, select Messages, and tap on Send and Receive. Here, make sure you are signed in with the correct Apple ID email address. If you notice an issue, sign out and then sign back in. This is an important step because using the correct Apple ID ensures that your messages are linked to your account. After that, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, then General, and select Date and Time. Turn on the Set Automatically option. Incorrect date and time settings can really prevent iMessage from activating properly. It is essential that your device has the correct date and time, as this helps maintain a stable connection with Apple's servers. Now it's time to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Apple highly recommends keeping your device updated before troubleshooting iMessage issues. To check for an update, go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This can also resolve compatibility issues that might affect iMessage functionality. If your messages are stuck on waiting for activation, be patient and wait up to 24 hours. Sometimes your carrier may need time to verify your phone number. It's a common issue that can resolve itself with time, so don't worry too much if it's taking longer than expected. Lastly, check Apple's system status page to ensure that iMessage is not experiencing an outage. You can find this page online by searching for Apple's system status. If iMessage shows as available, then the issue is likely with your device. If you recently set up an eSIM after configuring your iPhone, keep in mind that iMessage may not activate automatically. Turning iMessage off and back on often solves this problem. With these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing your iMessage issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to messaging your friends and family.